Let's cook adobong kangkong. Our ingredients, we have garlic, we have vinegar, we also have our soy sauce, our oyster sauce, our black pepper ground, we also have our nor powder, our pork meat cut into small pieces, and of course, ang ating kangkong. And now, let's start cooking our pork meat. Boil it into a small amount of water, and then wait until it is golden brown. And now, we're going to add our ingredients, our garlic, so we're going to add this time our water. Mix it and let it boil again for a little bit. And this time we're going to add our soy sauce. And now we're going to add our oyster sauce. Then our vinegar. This time we're going to add our black pepper, and also we're going to add now our nor powder. Just mix it together, and after it boils, we're going to add now our kangkong. We're almost done, guys. Now, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to Joanne Kitchen USA and also hit the notification bell and get updated with the latest videos. And we're almost done, guys. And it's ready to serve. Again, guys, thank you for watching and thank you for your support. God bless us all.